Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the bus stops on Constant Spring Road. Now we just passed two bus stops. Now they were basically, the government is saying, or the Ministry of Transport and Mining is saying, a mistake was made when this road was renovated. All the bus stops were not put back. So let's go through it. Before Constant Spring Road was renovated through the major infrastructure development program, it had a lot more bus stops. Now, after the renovation, okay, you see this bus having to stop here because there should be a bus stop out here. There should be one up by the school, but the bus stops were never put back. So let's say, just for argument's sake, there were 20 bus stops between Olivier Road and Shortwood Road. Only probably 5 were put back. That's just an example. So as a result of that, the buses have to be stopping in the road to pick up people. And that creates a problem because, one, they impede motorists. They literally block the road. And 2, they get a ticket from the police for stopping in the road. Now, the way it's supposed to work is they're supposed to have like an extra lane basically where the bus can pull off the road and collect passengers. Now, you notice since the bus stop in front of the cassava piece turn off, there is no other bus stop on the left. None. And we have come all the way down Constant Spring Road. We have passed the tax office. We have passed a very prominent high school. We have passed 2 banks. And there is no bus stop. So as a result, this is what is happening. The buses have to stop here or stop like this. So basically, the government said it was a mistake and they are making plans to fix it. So you notice on the left, there is no bus stop. No bus stop. All the way from the cassava piece was the last place we saw the bus stop, where the video started. And we've come all the way down to Mary Brown's Corner. There is no bus stop. Okay, we're now coming down to Oaklands. And here is the next bus stop from Cassava Piece. This is the next bus stop. And you notice how they have the space for the bus to pull off the road so it doesn't block traffic when it's dropping off and picking up passengers. Alright, so the government says it was an oversight, and the Minister of Transport and Works, the Honorable Audley Shaw, says that they're going to fix it. Now, it's not the entire stretch of Constant Spring Road that has this problem, but from Manor Park basically down to Shortwood Road has a major problem with the bus stops. And you have to ask the question, maybe, when these plans are being done up, doesn't anybody check them? Doesn't anybody approve them? This falls on the NWA, National Works Agency. They are responsible for all the main roads in Jamaica. And you notice, so we are now coming up to the Shortwood Road intersection. And there are 2 bus stops. 2 bus stops between Manor Park and Shortwood Road. And there are so many business places on this road. So it really is, it's a problem basically. It's a problem. And they said that they realized it was a problem and they're going to fix it. Now, this road was renovated under the major infrastructure development program. It took years to renovate. I don't remember when it was finished, but that entire project finished before COVID. So that's over 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. So for 3 or 4 years, let's just say 3 years for argument's sake. For 3 years, nobody realized that there weren't enough bus stops on this road. 3 years. Okay, we're now on the stretch of road from Shortwood down to Halfway Tree. They didn't mention this section in the article, but here is a bus stop. We'll see how many bus stops on this side of the road. But it took too long. First of all, this mistake should have been realized in the planning stage. When the plans for the road were drawn up, they should have realized, guess what? We need more bus stops. It wasn't. Then the road was renovated, it was fixed. Okay, there is another bus stop, but there's nowhere to pull off the road for that one. And it took 3 years, and the minister never pointed it out that maybe it would just be business as usual. That's not right. However, the good thing is, after 3 years, they decided that they're going to fix it. So we'll keep you guys updated as to the progress of how they go about fixing it. Or not, well, not how, but when they fix it. The minister said that they were going to fix it, but no timeline was given as to when the bus stops would be put back. And there have been a lot of road works under these different projects. So you have to, well, I haven't heard anything about any other road with bus stops, just Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, so we are now at the intersection of Constant Spring Road and Dunrobin Avenue. Turn right on Dunrobin Avenue and you head to Washington Boulevard, and that takes you out of the city of Kingston. Go straight, you stay on Constant Spring Road, and head down to the Halfway Tree area. So here's another bus stop. And we just passed, there are like 4 or 5 bus stops at that one location, but there's no space for the bus to pull off the road. Why would they have 4 or 5 bus stops at one location? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the bus stop situation on Constant Spring Road. Have a good day guys.